If you have sore muscles or stiff, achy joints, you've probably been told to grab some ibuprofen or Advil to feel better. But here's the big question. Does taking those and other NSAIDs actually help your body recover faster, or could it be slowing you down? So today I'm breaking down the myth of pain relievers and sharing safer, smarter, and natural ways to recover from back pain, soreness, or injury. I'm Dr. Ryan Wohlfert, and non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs, or NSAIDs, like ibuprofen, Advil, aspirin, they're often the first thing people reach for when pain hits. Yeah, they can dull pain, but research shows they do far more harm than good when it comes to actual healing. Inflammation is not your enemy. It's part of your body's natural repair process, bringing nutrients and immune cells to damaged tissues. So when you block that process with NSAIDs, you interrupt the very system that rebuilds your muscles, ligaments, and cartilage. Studies actually show that long-term or repeated use of NSAIDs can slow down the repair of ligaments and cartilage, reduce blood flow to injured tissues, accelerate joint degeneration and arthritis, and even increase risk of your stomach, heart, and liver having problems. So while you might feel temporary relief, your tissues may take longer to heal, and you could be setting yourself up for bigger problems later. So instead of masking the pain, here are 3 key nutrients to use instead so you can support your body's natural healing process, reduce chronic inflammation, and help your tissues rebuild better. Number 1 is essential fatty acids, or omega-3 fatty acids. These are found in fish oil or even flaxseed oil. These are powerful natural anti-inflammatories. They help calm swelling in muscles and joints and can reduce post-workout soreness. You want to aim for a high-quality fish oil supplement with both EPA and DHA. These compounds don't block the healing. They guide inflammation so it repairs instead of damages. A good dose to start is usually around 1,000 to 2,000 milligrams daily, or up to 4,000 milligrams of EPA DHA. If you're taking blood thinners or aspirin, you're going to want to get the okay from your doctor first. Number 2 is magnesium. So magnesium is huge for muscle recovery. It relaxes tight muscles, improves blood flow, helps deliver nutrients directly into your cells. So many people are deficient in magnesium nowadays and they don't even realize it. I recommend supplementing with magnesium glycinate. 200 to 400 milligrams a day can help reduce cramping, spasms, and joint stiffness while speeding up your recovery. And now number 3, we have vitamin D. Vitamin D, it's needed for strong bones and resilient muscles. It helps your body absorb calcium and supports proper nerve function. Low vitamin D is linked to higher fracture rates, slower healing, and chronic pain. So adults often need at least 600 to 800 IU every day, but many experts, including me, recommend higher doses, especially if you live in a place with limited sun. So if you're dealing with back and joint pain, these nutrients do more than just reduce soreness. Omega-3s calm joint inflammation. Magnesium eases muscle tension, and vitamin D strengthens the bones and discs that support your spine. Together, they create a foundation for faster, more complete recovery without the side effects of medications. Here are a few simple, practical tips to get you started. You want to add a daily omega-3 supplement or eat fatty fish like salmon or sardines a few times a week. Include magnesium-rich foods like leafy greens, almonds, pumpkin seeds, or take a daily magnesium glycinate supplement. Also, get your vitamin D levels checked and consider a vitamin D3 supplement if you're low, especially if it's wintertime. And pair these nutrients with gentle movement, good sleep, and of course, spinal health practices to maximize your healing. The bottom line is this: masking pain with NSAIDs might feel helpful in the moment, but it slows down your body's natural repair processes, supporting your system with essential fatty acids, magnesium, and vitamin D gives you a safer, more sustainable way to recover faster from soreness, injuries, and back pain. So that's it for today's video. If you want to find out more in depth about how your spine and posture is directly affecting your health, your pain levels, your energy, and how to fix it, click the first link in the description below to get a posture and mobility assessment no matter where you are in the world. And I would love to know in the comments, type down there what you're going to do first. Which of these practical steps are you going to incorporate into your daily life? And as always, be your own guarantee for your health and your life.